So you landed on this video because you heard that you can get a free website built right before your eyes, no obligation to buy until you actually see it first. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how that's possible. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies, including this one. And look, if you guys been following me, you know for the last 4 going on 5 years, I have been part of Nowsite. I mean, way back when it was called Royalty, and they sell and it was supplying, virtual beacons before Google Nearby shut it down and made that no longer possible. But the nice thing is that Nowsite was always ahead of the curve. Even when they had the beacons back then, it was the first to bring it to the table. Many companies copied. Then when Google shut it down, all those companies fell by the wayside because it wasn't innovative. Whereas Nowsite evolved and kept on moving, kept on producing, kept on bringing new things to the table, new features, new services, and man, it's just been great. So now I'm happy to announce, because in 2018, 2019, Nowsite became an all-in-one marketing platform powered by artificial intelligence. And one of the key features that they had was the ability to be able to make unlimited landing pages. At the time, it was just landing pages, one page going down. Now you can build a full-fledged website, and it's been great because as an entrepreneur, as a marketer, as a business owner, somebody trying to build a brand, as a model, as an aspiring artist. I mean, we can go on and on and on. Every last one of them people in that category needs their own website to be able to brand themselves, to be able to put their business out there, to be able to get sales, so forth and so on. So when Nowsite went in that direction, we knew it was the right direction to go into. Fast forward 2021, they came out with Nowsite Nerds. Now, what Nowsite Nerds was we know that we need these things, but we don't all want to go back to school to learn how to create these things, right? Let's just be honest. So most of us just want instant gratification. You want I want a website, and you just want it, but you don't want to have to really create it. You don't want to build it, or God forbid, you don't even know how to build this, and they have to learn how to build it. You got to go back to school. These aren't the things that's desirable for the average person. Let's just be honest, right? So they came out with Nowsite Nerds, and what Nowsite Nerds was you was able to, after you bought into your subscription, you was able to hire somebody from Nowsite to be able to create your stuff for you. So for instance, you can have a nerd build your website, or you can have a nerd build your email campaign out for the next 90 days, or you can have a nerd build your capture page, landing page, or a full funnel system. I mean, whatever you need to create, a nerd would do it for you, and for a very affordable price. And that was genius. We have a 9.5 to 10 rating right now. Literally, a 9 rating would actually drop our rating down. That's how big that the response has been for this service. And it made perfect sense because, again, nobody wants to do it, right? You just want I want the site, but I don't want to have to create the site, right? In an ideal situation, you're a business owner, if you sell pizzas for a living, you got to sell pizzas all day. When do you have time to build out a website? So this is the reason why that was going a step in the right direction right out the gate. So to build upon that, right? Recently, or now, we just came up, which I'm going to introduce you to now, is they said, okay, well, you know what? How about we build your site for you before you even make a purchase? Did you hear what I just said? Let me say it again. We're going to build your site for you. No obligations, no credit card required, no pay now, we pay you back if you don't like it. No. Come in right now. The link below, right? And if you was to click that link, they're going to build you out your own website. Now you're going to schedule a time, you're going to get on, and they're going to build you out a website, 60 minutes. So whatever we could create in 60 minutes, which is a lot. All right. So they're going to sit down with you. What's your brand? What's your name? Got any pictures for us? Awesome. Got any videos? Okay. It's the e-com. We got a PayPal link. Okay. They're going to build out your whole site for you. Oh, you're a model. Okay. Got some pictures. Oh, you're aspiring artist. Okay. You got your streams, you got your Spotify and things. Okay. Whatever it is, whatever you do, they're going to build this out for you. And then afterwards, after you see what they've created, after you see, the masterpiece up right before your eyes, then you can make a decision on if you want to buy or not. So I call this try before you buy. It's called try before you buy, because basically, you're going to get to see it in real time. Now, let me ask you a question. When have you ever seen anything like this? Like, even if you was at Wix right now, you would have to go create everything yourself. Like, okay, me put this over here, drag and drop, pull this over, and go get the video link. You ain't got to do any of that. You get to go to Nowsite, tell them what you want, put your hands behind your head, and just let them work their magic. And then afterwards, you're going to have a full-fledged website. And then at that point, you can say, you know what? I see the vision here. I like what I see. You know what? I want to be a part of Nowsite. And then you can come aboard, and then the nice part is you come aboard and already got your website created for you. Your website's already done, like you're hitting the ground 100% running now. Now you're hitting the ground, running. And this is an ideal situation. On top of that, after you got your website, you still got the nerds. So if you want to go back there, you want to tweak some things, or you want to add an email autoresponder to this now, you want to add some SMS texting, and you want the campaign, anything that you want to do using the Nowsite platform. We got over 9-10 different features. Now you can have a nerd create that for you. So you literally can have your whole business created for you. Business in a box, literally. You signed up one time and you're in. And the nice part about it is Nowsite has also dropped their prices. So Nowsite is only $47 a month. Did you hear what I said? $47 a month. That is crazy. For all these features, like one of these features will cost you that, let alone 9 or 10, right? And then when you get into the fact you can do retargeting ads, and like I said, so I think you see where we're going with this, right? So basically, like I said, you join Nowsite now without joining. Actually, I take that back. Don't join Nowsite. Just hit the link below. All right. This isn't even my normal link. Normally, you be going to getmoneylikeaboss.com. You be getting signed up. I'm not even going to do that. I'm just going to put the link below for you to actually try before you buy. Okay. And now when you hit that link and try before you buy, guess what? You can actually have your website created for you before you even pull your wallet out your pocket or purse. How's that sound? All right. So if you want to try before you buy, then hit that link below and we're going to get you going. Or if you got questions, you're like, this can't be real. Come on, I need to talk to you. It's okay. You got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer any questions you have. If you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button and also hit the bell. That way you get notified and you don't miss out on this type of news, okay? All right, I appreciate you. I'm going to see you on the next one. Hopefully, I see your new site that you got built from Nowsite. Until then, on the next one, appreciate you. Have a blessed day.